you tonight is on a island. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I think this.
I do bodies, as long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do.
What's up, my lovelies, and welcome to my channel where we are advocates for being uniquely you, blocking out negativity and letting dreams come true. If you are a returning family member, welcome back, gang. Welcome back, gang. Welcome back, gang. And if you are new to the channel, welcome, 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 welcome. Okay, guys, this intro today is completely different than the footage that you're going to see in this vlog. I was not able to record the intro, so I'm doing it now. I just wanted to formally welcome you guys to the channel and start this vlog off the right way without being rude. And without further ado, guys, we are going to get right into the next scene so that you guys can get watching this vlog. It's just a laid back, chill, enjoying nature, therapeutic type vibe. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like this video. Editing does take time, so I would sincerely appreciate if you guys hit that like button. It only takes a couple of seconds, so don't forget to like, guys, comment, interact in the comments, and subscribe to this channel. And without further ado, we're gonna get into the next slide.
Narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna, bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water, glass, see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald, out, bag of money, know I gotta have it, savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali, Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage, kill his whole family, they run off with the package, I just put it back on the way to Bogota, poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw, I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk, get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off, they know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring, investigating, taking pictures of the whole team, undercover trying to do his thing, 10 mil on the plane, going straight to military, trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, hey, cold gang with the cocaine, the more money make more rain, pouring up a pan while I'm back in propane, point blank range, give a nigga nose range, skip to my loo with the pack and the cat, jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at, dripping, ooze, the paddock all wet, birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest, get pie face set like milk, yup, running with the pack, got slipped, hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off, nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out, 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes, flush mama house, Hermes and Fendi couch, I ain't really with the razzle dazzle, knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle, go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle, sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl, pap him, chop a bite down like an apple, match it with the acres with the horses in the cattle.
Okay, you guys, so we found the spot that we were going to draw. We do have canvases here because we were going to paint it first, but then we just decided to just draw with color pencils, markers, and our pencils. I don't know how good of a painter I am, so we just got the canvases and drew, and then we were consulting on what we wanted to draw and ended up deciding to draw the scenery right there in front of us. So that's what we did, and yes, we did that with canvases.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
This is what I got so far, and neither one of us could really paint, so we got a canvas, but we are going to draw it instead of painting it. So that's what I got so far, y'all. I'm not gonna show TJ. Okay, y'all. So I still have a lot to do, but it's getting kind of cold, right? This is what I have so far. So we were supposed to draw the scenery. Hope y'all can see. Supposed to draw the scenery, right? This is what I got. Let me see how that looks. Don't look. Don't be cheating. Y'all, this is funny. I didn't finish. Dang, you can't. It's kind of like the what you do too. There we go. I was drawing that right there. Oh shoot. I was drawing that right there. I still have to draw that. The light post right there. The grass that we was sitting in right here. But I had a lot to do. Okay, so this is what all I got finished in this time. Should I finish or do you want to reveal yours? Did you see mine already? This is what I had, y'all, because it was looking from this perspective. But I didn't finish. I didn't put that stuff right there because it's kind of cold. So.
Alright, don't judge me. I fucked up on mine.
Oh, that's nice.
I know mine's better than yours. Thank you.
No, it's not. It ain't better than mine. Let me see.
Yours kind of nice though.
Thanks. Yours nice too. I like that perspective. You own a bridge. Oh, that's lit. Okay. You own a bridge.
Yours kind of better than mine.
He own a bridge, and he looking from the perspective.
Over.
Y'all, it's kind of cold, so we gonna do another one, but it was from this perspective. So I had the tree right there, this little grassy area right there, and then I didn't put the chairs. They were supposed to go like right there by the light post. Okay, and then the grass area over there in the water, and then I need to draw the bridge across, but it's cold, so I did a fast rendition. And yeah, y'all, we have a little picnic area right there, just enjoying some nature and some drawing, but it's cold. Okay, get into it. But that's the freaking draw contest. So who do y'all think won?
I did.
I did. We gotta do another one where it's when it's not cold.